Hey guys, welcome back to another Tesla update video. Today I'm going to be talking about my thoughts and what to expect next with Tesla. As you can see today, up 1%, closing just under 436. But unfortunately, guys, we did close under this yellow zone as well as closing under this green trend line again. So not exactly what you want to see if you're a bull, but not the end of the world, guys. Before I get into it, I do have a Discord where I post live trading updates for both NVIDIA and Tesla every single day. I'll post about 10 posts for each stock, kind of letting you know key levels to look out for when we're extending to one side of the spectrum or the other. And sometimes I'll give you some good buying positions. So definitely go check it out. And if you have any questions, drop them in the community chat. I'll definitely get back to you on that. But yeah, getting into Tesla, guys. So yesterday I did say that we're gonna get that move down to this purple zone sitting around 424-ish, and we did exactly that. And I said we were gonna rally, and we did get that rally, but guys, not as strong as a rally as I would have hoped for. Again, we're close under this yellow zone, which is just pushing us down. Just brutal resistance right now, as you can see by these hour candles in the past few days. So, and along with that, the 1 hour SMI is back at the top of the indicator, meaning that we're close to a short-term top. Not what you want to see for a bull. So, this does tell me that we're going to get a dip tomorrow. Now, is that dip going to be, a deep dip down to this purple zone again, or are we just going to come back down to retest 430? Because, once we did break past 430, we never really retested it. So I could definitely see us coming back down here. But the question is, are the bulls going to step in here and push it back up, or are we going to fall back down to this purple zone? That's the real question right now. And honestly, personally, I don't really mind. If we go down here, I'm going to buy more. If we come here, I'm probably going to load up. If we go down to 430, I'll load up a little bit. But if we get down to this purple zone, I'm definitely going to buy a nice amount of Tesla. That's just the way I'm trading it. But yeah, say the bulls come in here. Ideally, we get back in that yellow zone, and then we continue this rally up. But if not, we bleed down to this purple zone. From there, I would expect the bulls to start pushing this stock up. So one of these levels, I would view as good buying positions. If you buy a little bit here, and you guys, we sink some. And if you buy some here, but we dip more, just load up some more calls. I told you guys, do not like with Tesla, don't buy don't buy a Tesla with like 100% of your position. I like to buy with a sixth of my position, and if we go down more, I'm gonna load up some more. If we go down more, I'm gonna load up some more. That's how I trade Tesla, because it's so volatile and moody. Along with that, guys, that VIX is starting to pop up a little bit. You can see we had some pretty clear resistance at 15, but now it's starting to use that as support, which does mean that which lines up with us getting that little dip, I expect. But, hopefully we don't get that dip down to the purple zone. I rather come to 430 and the bulls push this thing up. I'm sick of Tesla just bleeding down. But guys, again, the reason why I do think that we're going to get that reversal is because that 4 hour SMI is all the way in the red. And you can pause it for yourself. But every time we do get in the red, we tend to get a nice bounce up. And vice versa, when we're in the green, we tend to find a top, just like at this previous all-time highs we were at. We were in the green, I cautioned longing it, and then guess what happened? We got that big move to the downside. So if you're in Tesla right now, and you're just waiting for that reversal, if you have enough money, you can hopefully just buy more shares as it goes down. If not, I just recommend you waiting. This is not the time to sell. This is not the time to be shorting Tesla. So definitely just, I would say wait it out. I do think this bottom is soon to come. Like I said in my last video, I did expect Tesla to get that dip down to 420-ish and scare the bulls. This dip we got did not really scare too many people, I don't think. It probably did because we saw 420s, but knowing Tesla, like you see these red candles right here, I want to see one of these big candles down here, scare everyone, maybe see 14s, and then we get that reversal. That definitely could not happen. It definitely could not happen, but it definitely could happen too. So I'm just throwing it out there. So you guys are not going to be surprised if it does happen. So there you go. Yeah, guys, that's about it. I do see the bull stepping in soon. I do see short-term pain with Tesla. It's just where we're going to bottom at. That's the question right now. Definitely don't buy in Tesla with your full position. Like I said earlier, just nibble, and if we go down, nibble. It's hard to catch that knife. It's hard to predict that precise bottom. No one really can predict that. So just load up on your little position there, and we'll get that reversal soon. So yeah, guys, that's about it. Let's see how Tesla reacts tomorrow. And yeah, guys, peace.